Good morning. I'm in my kitchen trying to clean up, and I thought I'm just gonna show how easy it is for me to find things from when I leave in my kitchen. Let's start here. Chewing stick, my all-time favorite. I have aboniki. I don't even know why it's in the kitchen. Alligator pepe. What else? Golden Mon. The kids love it. What else? What else? What else? Palm oil. More palm oil. We have Maggi cubes. We have pepper. We have some spices for pepper soup. And then let me check. These ones. My mortar. And there's some stuff also in the freezer. But if you enter my kitchen, you'll pretty easily know that I'm married to Onibo. I forgot to. G. There must be G. Even if it's only half G, there has to be G. And also, Indomie. Hey, see, there's more down here. See, pounded yam. Though it's fake, it's potatoes, but that's what we get here. And then, plantain. And I think this one also, right? Ginger. So yeah. Plenty to cook.